Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Windscribe VPN. This is a simple and beginner-friendly guide. I have already installed Windscribe VPN, so let's open the app and sign in with the Google account. Once you are logged in, you will see the main interface. With the free account, you get 10 GB of data each month. If you need more bandwidth and access to the additional countries, you can upgrade to a paid plan. To connect, simply choose any available free country and select a free location. Then Windscribe will start connecting automatically. After a few seconds, it will connect. You can switch to any free location whenever you want. Right now, I am connected to the United States. You can also change the VPN protocol type even on the free plan. If you scroll down, you will find many more pre-saved locations that you can choose. I hope this video helped you, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.